Shop with points using any of your Aventura credit cards. With CIBC's Aventura credit cards, shop with points, you can redeem the points you've collected on recent purchases. Once you've started collecting Aventura points with everyday purchases, simply log on to your CIBC account to start shopping with points. Log into your CIBC account using online or mobile banking. From here, there are a few ways to shop with points. One way is to click on any of the CIBC rewards links found on the homepage. Here, you can see your Aventura points balance and a list of ways to redeem them. Click on Recent Purchases to use your points to pay for pending transactions. In your list of transactions, you'll see a star icon beside any purchases eligible for Shop with Points. Simply click on Redeem with Points beside the starred transaction to pay for it using your points. You can also go directly to your list of transactions by selecting your Aventura credit card after logging in. Scroll down to your pending transactions. Find an eligible transaction by looking for the star icon and click on Redeem with Points. Pending transactions must be at least $25 to qualify. If you don't see any transactions with a star icon, it means you don't have any available at the moment. Using your CIBC Aventura points to shop is that easy. Log on to your CIBC account to learn more about redeeming points today. Check out our Aventura Points videos on how to earn and how to pay with points.